Okay, this is going to be a short video. We've already talked about accessibility settings. Now, this is very simple, but sometimes you need to be able to test to see if accessibility settings are just set to bold, right? You don't need content size categories or or anything like that. You just need to know if it's set to bold so that you can adjust maybe a tab bar item or a label or something to that effect. And this is just basically simply accessing that. This isn't a long video, but yeah, I'm just trying to put just useful information out there, right? So here's how to do it simply. Okay, so right here we have a project here, and of course you can download this from my GitHub repo, clone it and run it. But basically, you're just gonna access UI accessibility, and this is Swift UI, but it works the same with UI Kit. Of course, a lot of times with UI Kit, you may have to rebuild or in order to see the changes in your accessibility settings. If that's the case, you may want to add a notification and an observer so that you can see the change. All right, so now this is already running. As you can see, bold is not enabled, and this is the text. If bold is enabled, let me go back here. There we go. Okay, accessibility, display, text bold. Turn this off, go back here. And what was this? Custom fonts. Bold is enabled, see? And of course I have it right here, right? View model is bold enabled. Bold is enabled, bold is not enabled. See? And this is where I set it. I have my property wrapper published is bold enabled. And this is how I set it. UI accessibility is bold enabled. So yeah, in minute the minute this variable value changes, wherever this property is used, it's notified and it changes. And of course, in Swift UI, changes are presented in the view immediately. Okay. Again, if you have any questions, download this from my GitHub repo or clone it from my GitHub repo, run it and play with it. On to the next.